So you think HVAC companies are ripping you off? One company quotes a ridiculously high price, whereas the other doesn't. But what if I tell you the problem isn't with companies? Instead, it's just how we all interpret the numbers. Let's discuss. Why pricing varies. If HVAC pricing were as simple as buying a TV, then every quote would look the same. But that's not the case. At Superior HVAC, we offer custom solutions and not off-the-shelf products. And prices vary because every home and space is different. Size, insulation, ductwork condition, and energy goals. All these aspects contribute to the final quotation. Think of it like tailoring a suit. Two suits may look similar, but if one is custom-made and the other is off the rack, the price difference reflects the fit and quality rather than fraud. Another big factor is supply and materials. Compressors, circuit boards, and coils can be delayed or get more expensive due to global supply chain issues. And don't overlook labor. Skilled HVAC technicians are in short supply, making it even more expensive. Why online advice oversimplifies a complex system? You've probably seen quick tips online like, buy the highest SEER rating, or always choose the cheapest quote. Those takeaways might sound helpful, but HVAC systems aren't one size fits all. Yes, these ratings matter, but they assume perfect conditions that most homes don't actually have. It's like using the specs for a race car to choose a family sedan. Useful, but missing the context that actually determines performance. This oversimplification leaves homeowners confused when real quotes don't match the expectations set by quick online posts. So don't blindly trust reviews and advice you see online. Consult a HVAC professional before installing your HVAC system. What actually matters? The confusion gets worse when people fixate on price alone. Brand names or low numbers don't guarantee comfort or longevity. Instead, proper installation and regular maintenance determine how durable and efficient your HVAC system is. So instead of asking, why is this price so high? Ask, what is this price actually solving for my house? And how many years would it serve me? When you think in terms of value, comfort, efficiency, and longevity, the pricing starts to make sense. So have you consulted an HVAC professional before? Comment below.